Every great journey begins with a first step. The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, took its first step into the cosmos on April 19, 1975, with the launch of Aryabhata, India's first satellite. This historic moment was not achieved in isolation, but marked a significant international collaboration with the Soviet Union, who provided the Cosmos 3M launch vehicle that carried Aryabhata into space. Named after a renowned Indian astronomer and mathematician, Aryabhata was a testament to India's commitment to harness space technology for national development while pursuing space science research and planetary exploration. This pioneering satellite was a beacon of India's ambition and potential in the space realm, setting the stage for many more milestones in the years that followed. This was not just a satellite launch. It was the ignition of a dream to reach for the stars and beyond. Aryabhata was just the beginning of a series of groundbreaking achievements. ISRO's journey into space wouldn't have been possible without the development of its workhorse launch vehicles. The Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, commonly known as the PSLV, is a testament to India's technological prowess. This marvel of engineering, developed in the early 90s, is a four-stage launch vehicle with alternating solid and liquid stages. It's a versatile player in ISRO's roster, known for its dependability and versatility. The PSLV has been used to launch various satellites into different orbits, including Sun-synchronous polar orbits, geosynchronous transfer orbits, and low Earth orbits. This reliability has not only made it a favorite within ISRO, but has also attracted international customers. The PSLV's bigger sibling, the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, or GSLV, has its own set of accolades. This three-stage vehicle with its cryogenic upper stage represents a significant technological leap for India. The GSLV is designed to deliver heavier payloads to higher orbits, particularly geosynchronous transfer orbits. It has played a critical role in ISRO's lunar and interplanetary missions, including the Chandrayaan and Mars Orbiter mission. But it's not just about the technology. These launch vehicles symbolize ISRO's commitment to cost-effectiveness. ISRO's space missions are known for their frugality, achieving groundbreaking feats without breaking the bank. The PSLV and GSLV are shining examples of this philosophy. Let's not forget the international recognition that these launch vehicles have garnered. The PSLV, in particular, has earned a reputation in the global space community for its reliability and cost-effectiveness. It has launched over 250 satellites for more than 20 countries, a feat that speaks volumes about its capabilities. The development of these launch vehicles was a monumental task, requiring years of hard work, dedication, and ingenuity. But the result, the ability to reach out into the cosmos, was worth every bit of effort. These launch vehicles have propelled ISRO into a league of its own. The PSLV and GSLV are not just vehicles for launching satellites. They are symbols of India's technological ascension, testament to the country's capabilities in space exploration. As we look to the stars, we can't help but admire the feats of these remarkable machines and the minds that brought them to life. The next frontier for ISRO was our neighboring planets. An adventurous leap into the unknown, the Mars Orbiter mission, popularly known as Mangalyaan, was a journey of firsts. Launched on a chilly November morning in 2013, Mangalyaan propelled India into an exclusive club of Martian explorers. But what made the world sit up and take notice was that India became the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit, and even more impressively, the first nation in the world to do so in its maiden attempt. Mangalyaan was not just about getting to Mars. It was a mission designed to explore the Martian atmosphere and surface from the orbit, helping us understand the planet's geology, morphology, and atmosphere. A significant achievement that made headlines worldwide and filled every Indian heart with pride. But Mars was not the only celestial body that fascinated ISRO. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always held a special place in our hearts and minds. And it was with Chandrayaan, India's lunar exploration program, that ISRO decided to unravel the moon's mysteries. Chandrayaan-1, launched in 2008, was a mission of discovery. It made significant discoveries, including the presence of water molecules on the lunar surface, a revelation that changed our understanding of the moon. Chandrayaan-2, launched 11 years later, aimed to explore the moon's south polar region, a region unexplored by any other lunar mission. These interplanetary missions were not merely about reaching these celestial bodies, they were about understanding our place in the universe, about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, and about inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. ISRO's interplanetary missions have opened up new horizons in space exploration. They have shown us that with determination, ingenuity, and a spirit of exploration, no frontier is too far, no dream too big. And as we look to the stars, we know that the best is yet to come. ISRO has not only explored space, but also harnessed it for practical applications. The Indian Space Research Organization has made remarkable strides in utilizing space technology for day-to-day practical applications. One such example is its innovative satellite navigation systems, NAVISY and the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, or IRNSS. These systems have been designed to provide accurate position information services to users in India and the surrounding region. NAVISY, an acronym for Navigation with Indian Constellation, is a regional satellite navigation system. It is not just an answer to the global positioning system of the United States, but is in fact superior in terms of its accuracy over the Indian landmass. With 7 satellites in its constellation, NAVISY ensures that at any given time, a minimum of 4 satellites are visible, enabling high precision and reliability. The IRNSS, also known as NAVISY, is an independent regional navigation satellite system. It is designed to provide real-time position and timing services over India and the region extending up to 1,500 kilometers around India. These services are comparable to other satellite-based augmentation systems like the GPS of the United States, GLONASS of Russia, Galileo of Europe, and Beidou of China. The significance of these systems cannot be overstated. They have a myriad of applications in areas such as terrestrial, aerial, and marine navigation, disaster management, vehicle tracking and fleet management, integration with mobile phones, precise timing, mapping and geodetic data capture, and terrestrial navigation aid for hikers and travelers. These systems are a testament to ISRO's focus on the practical applications of space technology. They illustrate the organization's commitment to leveraging space technology for national development, demonstrating how space science can be harnessed to improve life on Earth. In conclusion, ISRO continues to navigate the future with its pioneering spirit, leveraging space technology for practical applications and contributing to the betterment of humanity. These navigation systems are a testament to ISRO's focus on practical applications of space technology. ISRO's journey into space is far from over. As we speak, this pioneering space agency is already charting the course for its next big ventures. Among the many projects in the pipeline, the development of the Reusable Launch Vehicle, or RLV, stands out. This is not just another rocket, it's a game changer. The RLV is designed to be used over and over again, dramatically reducing the costs of space launches. Imagine a world where reaching the stars is no more expensive than boarding a plane. That's the world ISRO is trying to create with the RLV. It's a world that could open up space exploration and satellite deployment to more countries and private entities than ever before. But ISRO's ambitions don't stop at cost-cutting. They're also looking to make history with the Gaganyaan mission. This is India's first manned space mission, and it's set to send Indian astronauts, known as Gaganauts, into the great beyond. This is a significant milestone for the country, marking its entry into an exclusive club of nations that have sent humans into space. Gaganyaan is more than a mission. It's a statement of intent. It's a declaration that India is ready to take its place among the leading players in space exploration. These two projects, the RLV and the Gaganyaan mission, epitomize ISRO's forward-thinking approach. They represent a commitment not just to catching up with the rest of the world, but to forging ahead, to becoming a leader in space technology and exploration. With these future missions, ISRO continues to push the boundaries of space exploration. The agency is not content with what it has achieved so far. It's always looking to the future, always striving for the next big breakthrough. And if history is anything to go by, we can expect ISRO to keep surprising us, to keep reaching for the stars, and to keep making India proud.